If you use Claude, you are probably using the chat interface. You go to Claude.ai, you type, and Claude responds. That is most people's entire relationship with the product. But Anthropic now ships three completely different products under the Claude name. And most people paying $20 a month are only using one of them. On April 8th, 2026, Anthropic made Claude Cowork generally available to all paid subscribers. Most coverage that day focused on Claude managed agents. Cowork barely got mentioned. Today, what all three cloud products actually are, what makes each one different, and which one to use for which kind of task. I am Mario, this is AI Alpha, let us get into it. Here's the framework. Claude Chat, Claude.ai is for thinking. You bring problems, it helps you reason through them. Writing, research, feedback, questions. Everything through conversation. You stay in control every step. Claude Code is for building a terminal tool for developers. Works through entire code bases. Writing code, fixing bugs, opening pull requests, and so on. Full access to your file system. Developer level permissions. Claude Cowork is for doing. Runs inside the Claude desktop app as its own tab. You describe a task, it makes a plan and executes it on your actual computer. Opening files, controlling apps, reading folders, filing forms, moving documents. No coding, no terminal. Describe what you want done and Cowork does it. Specific examples so this stops being abstract. You have a folder of 200 PDF invoices. Want them organized by client, date and amount. Claude Chat, you upload each one manually. Claude Cowork, point it at the folder. It reads every file, reorganizes everything. You need a weekly report from 3 spreadsheets and a Notion database. Claude Chat, paste everything manually. Cowork opens the files, reads them, builds the report. Slide deck from research saved across multiple documents. Cowork reads the documents, drafts the structure, builds the deck. From April 2026, Cowork added projects, persistence workspaces, bundling a folder, instructions, task history, and memory. Pick up exactly where you left off every session. Most common confusion. Cowork versus Claude Code. Both can access your computer. The differences are significant. Cowork runs inside a sandbox virtual machine. It only touches what you explicitly allow. If something goes wrong, it stays contained. Claude Code runs directly in your terminal. Full file system access. Shell commands, scripts, Git. More power, more risk. Requires technical knowledge. Cowork also burns tokens faster because it uses screenshots to see your screen. Image processing is heavier than plain text. Keep that in mind for long tasks. Simple decision rule. If you do not know what a terminal is, use Cowork. If you are a developer who wants maximum control, use Claude Code. If you have Claude Pro, $20 a month, you already have all three. To access Cowork, download or update the Claude desktop app. Open it, look for the Cowork tab, grant it access to a folder, describe a task, click go. Start small, one well-defined task. Approve its plan before it executes. Build up to more complex work as you get comfortable. 3 products, 1 subscription. Claude Chat for thinking, Claude Code for building, and Claude Cowork for doing. If you are paying $20 a month and only using the chat interface, you are leaving 2 tools completely untouched. Which of the 3 cloud products sounds most useful for your work? Drop it in the comments. I read every single one of them. Subscribe for more plain English AI every single day. See you in the next one.